Hello, today I'm going to talk about a show I watched called Grey's Anatomy. It's a medical drama that shows the life of a doctor and nurse in a hospital. In the show, we can see many jobs. Eileen Sugar is a paramedics that have to work long, or sometimes that don't have to sleep much because emergency and never stop. I really enjoy this show because I study physiotherapy and connected to my life. It helped me understand about hospital and pain care people might learn about teamwork, responsibility, and the importance of helping others.